And we're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show you the HTML tag. It's a simple tag that's used as a root for HTML documents, and it's basically the container for every other element except for the doc type HTML tag. And you can see that on our simple website right here. So opening closing tag and everything else is inside of it except for the doc type HTML. When you use one of these advanced editors, you will get better indenting so that you can see properly. It's a good idea to always add the language attribute, and in this case, let me make it a value of English. So search engines and browsers know what language it is. And let me indent this properly, so now we can easily see what's inside of the HTML tag, and it's simply the entire content of the website, once again, except for the doc type HTML. So you should always write that when you create a new website. And this was already all there is to know about this tag in HTML. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.